We're going to walk you through the steps of setting up an Instagram page for your business. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give the video a like. Whether you already own a business or are just starting out, having an Instagram business page is definitely a smart move. Head to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right, then go to the top right corner and tap the 3 horizontal lines. From there, tap Add Account and then choose Create New Account. At this point, you can select a username of your choice. Once you've done that, tap Next. Your new account will now be added to the Account Center. You can tap Continue or choose to set a password instead. Next, you can complete the sign-up process. You'll have the option to follow people you know if you'd like. To turn this into a business account, tap the 3 lines in the top right corner again. Scroll down to find the Professional section, then select Account Type and Tools, and choose Switch to Professional Account. Read through the details and select the category that best fits you. You can choose to display it on your profile and complete the switch. You'll be asked to connect it to Facebook. This is optional, so either link it or skip the step. You'll see a few setup steps here which you can go through now, or simply tap the X to do them later. Now that you're all set up, tap Edit Profile and go ahead and upload a profile picture.